It's the GOAT, the Evo GOAT, the GOAT edition. Get out and travel. Gotta love that, right? Look at this. Comes with a nice, beautiful electric awning. Nice Gladiator comp tires. It even comes with this really cool GOAT edition sticker. Sure to add value to your purchase. Look at that. It even has 2 speakers on the outside. Are you kidding me? Damn. With a cable hookup. 110 outlets. Damn, it even comes with a tank flush, man. Look at this. The tank flush. And look at this water heater. Look at this, man. What nice. Nice, nice. Oops, maybe I should close this, huh? There we go. The dry weight is 3,400 pounds, under 23 inches, 23 feet. And you can carry solid 1,400 pounds roughly. Pretty sick, pretty sick. Look at this bad boy. Damn, is that an inverter over there? Wow. Damn, this comes with an inverter. Wow. We just got it, so we don't have batteries on it yet. But I'll provide you with battery, all included. I'll provide you with 2 tanks of propane, full of propane, ready to go camping. You do also have a nifty battery disconnect. Pretty nice, pretty nice. Look at this, 1,400 pounds, man. GBWR, 4,400 pounds. I mean, this is a pretty nice coach. Even a small truck can tow. Look at the length on this, man. Even has for city water connector. Put your regulator in a hose. Your runnerization connection. You even got a fresh water. Man. Fresh water. You also have for the cable, for the satellite, you have a drain outlet right there. In addition to your black and gray flush. Man, look at these tires, man. They're nice. Killing it. Has some little rain gutters so that the water falls like this instead of coming down like this. Has it on all 4 sides. Already has a plug and play Furrion rear camera in addition to the Lippert on the go ladder system. Pretty easy purchases on Amazon you can do. Comes with a spare tire in the back. Man, this is killing it. All right, I gotta look at this. Oh, yes, let's not forget the steps. Has a step above by the more rides. Gives you a cool screen. Keep the bugs out. Yeah, keep fresh air coming in. Look at this sturdy step. Man. Look at this. That's a solar controller. Wow. All right, I gotta turn the. All right, I plugged this bad boy back in. Look at that nice LED light. The cool thing about this LED light is that it's actually on the RV itself versus the awning. It just makes it easier, more reliable personally, and it allows you to have light no matter where you are with this. Let's look at the inside. It's pretty cool. Look at that. Instantly drawn to USB connectors. Has USB-A, USB-C. Has CPAP ready. 110. Comes with a solar charger. So cool. Alarm. And it has some speakers on the inside. Look at that. And the ability to rock music on the outside. And if you don't want to rock music on the outside, you want to rock some music on the inside. Very cool. You can set up your phone Bluetooth setup. Got a nice simple panel here. Makes it super easy for everything that you need. Awning. Comes with a 2-burner stove with the propane, with the propaina. The GOAT edition comes with the Gladiator X-Comp off-road tires, which is pretty cool. The 4.5 cubic foot 12-volt refrigerator. I'll show you that in a minute, why that's important. An enclosed underbelly is huge. Flipped axles, okay, to give it more height. Off-road spare tire. 335 watt solar panel, wow. And a 2000 watt inverter. Oh, this is nice. Check this out. When you're looking at refrigerators, you really want to pay attention to the inside. If you see a metal backplate with some fins coming out, not only does it take up the entire space up top, but that works off, I would say, the best way to describe it is radiating cold. Radiating. What it means is it's kind of like when you put your hand, if I were to put my hand close to you like this, after a couple minutes you're going to start to feel my body heat. Well, the same thing applies to these refrigerators. The ones with the fins on the inside, those take about 3 days to get up to operating temperature. And as soon as you open this up, that temperature is quickly, the cold is being lost. With these, this is a standard compressor. I'm going to make a video about that, those refrigerators. But these are standard compressors. Means that your produce will remain. Look at this, already super cold. Look, it's already Frosty the Snowman. Microwave. to control the temperature. Got a pretty nice air conditioning unit right above. Lights all throughout. You have additional USB, USB-C. Additional light. And then look at this bathroom. For someone that's tall, this is great. Look at this. Wow. A fan up on top. Nice bathroom. I'm 6 foot tall, 6'1", and look. Even standing up as tall as I can, look at all the room I got. So, and I'm 250 pounds. Look at all the room I have in here. Pretty big boy. Got tons of room. And the best part is for the tall people. Look at all the leg space you got when you go into the toilet. Look at this. My legs are about as loose as they can be on both sides. And look at this. Tons of room. Look at this. I could kick my foot up to here and I'd still have room. It's pretty comfortable. And then look at these. They look small, but they're not. Oh, look at me laying in here. Ugh. Look at this. Look, my feet ain't even touching. You hear that? Look how much space is between my head, and look, still don't touch. Storage all the way through. Additional storage underneath. And then this bed, jackknife out to give you more sleeping capacity. And then when you're donezos, just put it back. And then look at all this room up here, man. Yeah, you could fit a rifle, a shotgun, you could fit a fishing pole. You know, I guess I should say safer things, huh? No, you could put a lot of stuff up there. Keep you nice and safe while you're out and about. I don't know, what more is there to show you on this, man? This is a pretty nice coach. Flipped axles. Yeah, that's why it looks like this. This is nice. All right, well, let me know if you want it. My phone number is on the page. Peace.